Okay, so this video is called How to Cope with Bedbug Depression. You'll get clear steps to reduce bites tonight, a simple treatment plan, and emotional tips to help you through this. Let's get started. Here's the thing, if you're feeling depressed, exhausted, or overwhelmed because of bedbugs, this guide is for you. You'll get clear, practical steps, a simple treatment plan, and emotional coping tips to get through hard days. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bedbugs, click the link below. This one's important. When sleep and safety feel lost, relief now matters. These steps reduce bites quickly and help you sleep a little better right away. Okay, so start with these 3 tonight. Use a mattress encasement. It traps bugs inside and stops new bites from a contaminated mattress. Wash and dry bedding on high heat to kill bugs and eggs. Move the bed away from walls and furniture so bugs have fewer pathways. These are quick, calming moves that cut bites fast. You know what really helps? Put interceptors under bed legs to trap bugs trying to climb up and to track activity. Use contact spray for immediate kills and a residual spray for ongoing protection. Keep a clean and unclean clothing system to avoid recontamination. These steps reduce bites and give you breathing room. This one's important. Don't expect instant perfection. These steps reduce bites and give you breathing room. Even one good night's sleep helps your mood and energy. If you want the exact tools we use and recommend for fast relief, click the link below. This is the marathon part. A simple, repeatable schedule keeps things from slipping and reduces the "did I miss something?" Treatment rhythm and consistency are what win. Okay, so the treatment rhythm is simple. Spray twice per week for 1 month, then once per week for 2 to 3 months. Frequent treatments at first tackle active bugs. Tapering maintains pressure on hidden eggs as they hatch. Treating bed bugs is a marathon, not a sprint. This one's important. No single method works alone. Use contact sprays to kill on contact. Use residual sprays that keep killing after they dry. Use mattress encasements to trap bugs and protect the mattress. These tactics give immediate kills and lasting protection together. Also launder on high heat to kill bugs and eggs. Use interceptors to catch climbing bugs and monitor activity, and carefully isolate cleaned items so they don't get recontaminated. Together, these steps cut hiding spots and protect clean clothes. No single method works alone. You'll know the infestation is likely gone when you see no live bugs, no shed skins, no fecal spots, and no blood spots for 3 consecutive months. Keep a simple log so you don't doubt progress. This reduces the "did I miss something?" worry. Keep clutter low and check common hiding spots: bed frames, box springs, seams of mattresses, behind headboards, and nearby upholstered furniture. The less hiding space, the fewer places for bugs to re-establish. Make these checks part of your routine so you catch survivors early. Protect clean items. Store clean clothes in sealed plastic bins or garment bags and avoid bringing used furniture into treated rooms. Keeping cleaned items sealed cuts the chance of recontamination and saves time on re-cleaning. This is a marathon. Repeat treatments with patience. Bed bugs are stubborn, but a consistent, comprehensive approach wins. Trust the schedule and keep at it until you see the signs of real progress. This section is about your mental health. Bed bug strain hits sleep, mood, relationships, and sense of safety. These mental health habits help you cope while you work the plan. Prioritize sleep hygiene. Keep a routine, dim lights, avoid screens, and use earplugs or soothing sounds. Small wins rebuild confidence. Set a checklist and celebrate each completed item. Share the load. Ask a trusted friend or family member to help with laundry or cleaning to reduce stress and speed progress. Limit caffeine and alcohol late in the day. They worsen sleep and anxiety. Practice 2-minute calming tools, deep belly breaths, a quick walk, or writing 3 small things that went well. Document everything. Take photos of bites, evidence, and steps you've taken. That helps explain the situation calmly. You're not weak or irresponsible. You're dealing with a difficult problem. Feeling depressed or anxious is a normal reaction to sleep loss and invasion of personal space. Consistent action and small self-care steps will restore your home and confidence. You can do this. Start with the right gear. To get our recommended products, click the link below. This is a stressful chapter, but it doesn't define you or your home. Take one step today. That step matters. Keep following the plan and be patient. Take one step today. That step matters. Bed bugs can be eliminated with persistence and the right tools. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below.